we're gonna go ahead and continue working on the build. Now that you see the reveal, the Cyberpunk 2077 Caliburn, one of the fastest cars and the best car in the game. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on the framing of the front clip, also some supports underneath the fender, and I have to redesign the front bash bar to support the front bumper and the body itself. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that on this video, and yeah, let's keep moving forward. All right, now that I tack this into place, go ahead and slap back on the bumper and try to get this realigned again so I could start taking some more measurements of the extensions. I'm gonna have to extend out from this frame because before it was sticking out too much, made me have to cut holes into the bumper. Obviously I didn't want to go that route, so I'm gonna cover back up those holes. I'm gonna centralize the bars more in the center and bring them out to where it meets the bumper face. And then I could do all my supports from that area and around. I'm gonna need to be able to support the edges, the edge of the bumper and the flooring. So this frame is just like basically like a subframe, I guess. Not even a subframe. This is the pre-frame before the actual frame that extends out. That's gonna house the AC condenser, and probably a little bit further behind will house like a lot of like the compressor and all that stuff, because I'm gonna be doing an electric AC system. So yeah, so right now this is tacked into place. Go ahead and put back on the bumper, get some more measurements, how far I could come out with the framing, and give this some more support. From the old frame, I cut these off. These was actually supporting this underneath before, but it wasn't really supporting this. It was actually supporting the bumper, and this was just sitting on top. So I want to be able to support this and use this framing also as a support for the bumper, which I'll probably do another extension with a little lip that the bumper could slide into. So for right now, this was actually on this side, opposite, upside down. So I want to flip this so I have like a little edge where I could hang a clip or something like that for the bumper to be able to clip onto, or however, something like that, something to hang, or do some plastics like the modern day cars where they have the push-in clips, something like that. So just trying to figure out what I could do, but I definitely want this frame now on this side, because now I could be able to hang some more framing down here to support the edge of the bumper, and possibly do some framing around the bottom end to support the bottom half of the bumper itself. Like if I put a splitter or anything on that, I'll have some support from the framing itself to support the splitter instead of just hanging on the bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out something here, and I just keep moving forward. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. There's a lot more to consider before welding up the rest of the frame, as far as cooler placements and wheel clearances. So I'm gonna have to get some more components before I start welding up the bottom end of this frame here. As far as building a fictional vehicle, you know, based off the game, it just mostly has a shell and some wheels and probably an interior. Maybe on the next video, I'll be starting on the rear framing. But yeah, go ahead and hit a like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.